Hello my good people, hope you are good. Thank you so much guys. I'll always appreciate you whenever I make a video. So today I found something on the Google or on the internet that it will help us boost our immune system and also relieve our coughing problems. So we have beetroot and carrot. When you have beetroot and your carrot, just wash them well. You first of all you put honey on top of your turmeric. I don't know the chemistry on that. Then you wash that honey and you wash the beetroot very well. Then wash your carrots. Then cut them into pieces. After cutting them, you cut your beetroot. Then you're going to store these products for 24 hours. But before you store them, let me tell you about it. You just cut your carrot, cut your beetroot into small pieces, then put them in a container, and on top, in between the carrot and the beetroot, put a bit of sugar. Then you start the other layer of beetroot and carrot, and then you put sugar on top of it. Then cover those products with a foil, anything. You just cover them for 24 hours and leave them in a fridge. You store them in a fridge for 24 hours. After 24 hours, they are going to make a liquid thing that will turn into this beetroot color. So after 24 hours, that's called a syrup. That syrup helps to boost our immune system and to relieve our cough. If you have a coughing problem, that's what I learned. So I'm going to try it. Whenever I see something that makes sense in wherever I'm passing in the Google, I'll be showing you, I'll be sharing the information with you. So I'll be using that juice, that syrup for my kids, yeah, and then I'll tell if it works or not, because even if it doesn't work, eating beetroot and carrot is healthy. But hope it will work, especially for coughing, because my kids has a problem of coughing. So let's do this and let's wait for 24 hours. Yeah. This is our product after 24 hours. We have a juice. Let's uncover it. Once we uncover this, then we'll put this in a container. Is here. The syrup is already made. Now we'll do it. Put it in the cup. It's not a lot, but at least this is our first trial. That's why I did not use a lot of product. And our syrup is here. You see the syrup? Let me show you the syrup. It's there. You can use it if you have a cough, have a problem of coughing. Yes, this is just for 2 days. Yeah, but it's good. At least I've known how to fight with coughs, especially for my kids. Yeah, now I'm going to make a juice from this. I blend those ones. Yeah.